Why'd you even call me up when I never wanna see ya? I'm just on my way back home, little drunk and alone, but I'd rather kick ya. Even though it's Friday night and I got no plans tomorrow, I could use a bam, 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 but it's not from you, cause I'm not that hollow. Baby, baby, you could try to sweet talk all you want, but I ain't that lonely. Baby, baby, forget your rules.
Good evening, everyone. We're back at Magic Kingdom. Just a couple of days removed from when we were last at Magic Kingdom. This was kind of an unplanned trip in that I wasn't anticipating getting back to Magic Kingdom before next year. But tonight is New Year's Eve, and they're kind of doing their dry run of the New Year's Eve fireworks 2 times tonight before they do it 2 times tomorrow night. There was a reservation open, so I grabbed it. And by the way, everybody with the jackets and hats, yeah, it's going to be like in the low 30s tonight. So it's not even like Florida cold, it's legitimately cold. Well, at least we come back and we get to see everything lit up here now. We watched the Christmas time parade the other day, and I'll put a link to that video down below. I've been following the wait times for rides. During the day, they seem ridiculous. But we'll take a walk around and see for ourselves how the crowds are. And if you've missed me saying this in the past, if you're coming to Disney and you want to enjoy just the theme parks, the Christmas and New Year's Eve, or New Year's kind of winterish break, is generally the worst time to come as far as crowd capacity. It's gorgeous, don't get me wrong, but it's just a lot of people. Main Street is buzzing, and you see all the people kind of lined up now and getting their spots for parade. Parade is the Starlight Parade. That's the nighttime parade that debuted this year. It doesn't start for another hour. You know, it gets busier when you get up towards the castle. So, in line at the People Mover, this is the sign for the People Mover. Isn't this thing like a symbol from Galaxy's Edge?
Arms,
Let's take a look around.
And other appendages inside your car. And please.
This is the TTA Blue Line, non-stop service around Tomorrowland.
Absolute best way to see Tomorrowland. And my stars, is there ever lots to see? From spacecraft to monster labs, there's really nothing like today in Tomorrowland.
For your safety, if you have wings, jetpacks, or gravity polarizers, please do not take flight while on board. Thank you.
Red line. Don't worry, your express train keeps on rolling through the future. Right by 2 of my favorite spots.
approaching Tomorrowland Speedway and Tron Light Cycle Run.
I love a good circuit, and these are two of the best tracks in the cosmos for a bit of light, speedy competition.
Attention all visitors from Galaxy M31. Please keep forward-facing tentacles clear of oncoming vehicles. Thank you. Visitors from Galaxy M31. Please keep forward-facing tentacles clear of oncoming vehicles. Thank you.
To your right is the Astro Orbiter, our celestial symbol.
Oh, I got a line for Space Mountain.
Hop aboard and launch high above Tomorrowland for a spin amongst
Yikes.
the planets.
Now these glass windows for Space Ranger Spin are all blocked off because they're doing refurbishment right now. You can't see in.
Take the time to see this show.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Transit Authority Station.
My fellow sentient life forms, our people mover journey has nearly come full orbit. Thanks.
Okay, so while I was on People Mover, Disney did a little push notification in the app that said that viewing spots for the fireworks will open up already in Tomorrowland and Frontierland. I'm not quite sure where that is because they only just say that they're open, but not exactly where. The fireworks tonight are special. They're like 360 fireworks that are all around the entire park. And so far, I can say, despite the crowd, couldn't ask for a more beautiful night. And the cold.
Presentation of Disney Starlight. Additional viewing for tonight's parade may be found in Liberty Square and Frontierland. Thank you.
Goodness gracious. It has reached capacity. So take a look at the crowd. This is really interesting. Just how many people are jammed onto Main Street. We've been here for the 4th of July fireworks and also for New Year's Eve and the day before New Year's Eve. It's usually shoulder to shoulder when the fireworks start, and kids on shoulders and all kinds of stuff. And it's pretty packed. It's an hour before fireworks. I see a safe spot. We'll watch the parade from here. I might even get a second job and hold some balloons for a while. The sky is the limit here tonight.
Way up here, it's almost like part of the sky.
must be up here among the stars.
And here comes everybody to pack in the hub for the fireworks.
Starlight is all around us.
Okay, it sounds counterintuitive, but I am going to stand all the way back at the start of Main Street because I want to be able to see the fireworks around. There's something happening on the stage all the way up there.
That's up to Uncle Dude if you want to stay with them.
Oh my goodness. They're playing K-pop Demon Hunters, but that's a Netflix show.
Hi guys, you all have to move. You cannot be here. You have to Hi guys, you cannot be here.
A long time ago, in a place called Neverland, there lived a sparkling spirit named Tinkerbell. Legend has it that to this day she still flies over this magical land of fantasy. When the story was told for children of all ages, that if you wish hard enough and believe strong enough, Tinkerbell will soar high above the magic kingdom and light up fantasy in the sky.
That was incredible. This crowd, not so incredible. Well, heading back towards Tomorrowland. They got a band playing back here. Well, I don't know about you guys, but for me, it's time for a garbage hamburger. I gotta eat outside because it is ridiculous inside. Just try to down this quick. And by the way, when I say garbage hamburger, I don't mean a bad thing by that. I love really, really cheap hamburgers at theme parks like this. These are some of my favorite hamburgers in any of the parks. Okay, so wrap with dinner. Not gonna lie, it's getting pretty chilly outside. Walk towards the back here a little bit. See it lit up. Winnie the Pooh is 65 minutes. Seven Dwarfs is 85 minutes if you want to ride a roller coaster in about 40-degree weather. The carousel looks so pretty at night. There's a big line to pull the sword out. But look at the back of the castle. My goodness, the line for Peter Pan is outside of the queue. It says it's only an hour. I find it hard to believe. Small World is 35. They are still doing normal things like the lantern photo. And honestly, the line's not that bad. The same can't be said for Haunted Mansion. It does sound like there's a party over there in Frontierland though. I have to go check that out. The Haunted Mansion, 50 minutes. Oh goodness. I'll tell you what, that hamburger really hit the spot. Sometimes there's nothing like a good garbage burger. I mean, it's basically like a Bubba burger. If you live in the South, you know what I mean. Frozen patty, very greasy. Club music intensifies.
I don't think people that are staying that late are paying for
party. Oh my goodness. Pirate says it's only, oh, wait, 55 minutes. But the line is out here. And it goes on and on and on. Jingle Cruise is all lit up. It's almost a 2-hour wait. And back to the castle. Everyone's dancing around. This is awesome. Trying to make my way towards the exit. There's a ton of people still funneling their way in. A ton. So in case you're wondering, they run the parade twice tonight, and they'll run the fireworks again tonight too. I'm gonna take the boat back because the monorail line is like all the way at the exit of the park. Just like always, ferry boat's waiting here, reminiscent of the Staten Island ferry, where I feel like I gotta sprint. Goodbye, Magic Kingdom. Hasta luego. Oof. The line for the tram. It's one of those nights where it's easy to just walk. Well, Magic Kingdom, we accomplished what we set out for. I thought the viewing spot for the fireworks was fairly good, very packed, very much what I expected with crowd size, but overall, I had a great time. I'm going to be back at Disney tomorrow with Mary, not to Magic Kingdom. I'm going to try Hollywood Studios for their New Year's Eve offerings. Last year at this time, we were in New York City, and for New Year's Eve, we went to go see Billy Joel out of Long Island. So I guess only fitting that last year we saw the King of New York New Year's Eve. This year we'll see the King of Orlando New Year's Eve. On that note, thanks a lot for coming along. Thank you very much for all of your likes, comments, and subscriptions. Treat others the way you want to be treated. Have a great night. Happy New Year's.